Hi, I'm Frances Blackie, Director of FWRD. We specialise in implementing Zoho's software suite, a game changer for streamlining businesses like yours. With 60+ powerful software applications, Zoho helps businesses reduce admin, automate tasks, and scale efficiently. One manufacturing client saved 100 admin hours monthly by automating workflows. A finance firm cut onboarding time in half and grew without hiring more staff. As certified Zoho One partners since 2011, we ensure seamless implementation, integration, and training, all with no fixed contracts or minimum spend. Ready to transform your business? Book a free consultation with me today, and let's build a scalable future together.